Hi, do you know the difference between passing 6-4 and passing 6-3? In this video, I will show you the difference and demonstrate how to use it in SATB writing. In the last section, I will give you some bonus tips as well, so stay tuned until the end. There is only one note of difference when we talk about passing 6-4. It means the 5C between 1 and 1B. In last video, I have demonstrated this solfege map already. Do, re, mi, re, do, ti, do, so. Now, if we have the same base, do, re, mi, we have another option. That is to use a 1, 7B, and 1B. This is called passing 6-3. 6-4 is the second inversion. 6-3 is the first inversion. And in this case, we apply to 7B. They have the same bass line and only one note of difference. It sings like do, re, mi, re, do, ti, do, so, fa, so. Only one note of difference. If you sing it in minor keys, just change the 1 into lowercase and all the solfege move down a minor third. Remember to start with la. La, ti, do, ti, la, si, la, mi. If we use 1, 7B, and 1B, this mi will become mi, re, mi. Now let's look at some musical examples. This is a harmonization of the first three notes of C major. We are using 1, 7B, and 1B. The pattern sings as do, re, mi, re, do, ti, do, so, fa, so. When the bass line is descending, mi, re, do, we will use 1B, 7B, and 1. So the pattern just reverse. Soprano go contrary motion with the bass, and the inner parts are the same. Similarly, when we have A minor, the patterns are the same. Just remember the first note starts with A and sings as la. La, ti, do, ti, la, si, la, mi, re, mi. Remember the soprano, alto, tenor. These three parts are interchangeable. Here I'm going to give you some bonus tips. Students may ask, when can we use 7B or when can we use 5C? The answer is, when the supertonic is on a stronger beat, we use 7B, like this. This supertonic note is on the stronger beat. But this one is on the second beat of a 4/4 time, so it's a weaker beat. When it is on the second beat, we will use a 5C. This is comparatively the norm. But this 5C can also be substituted by 7B. However, it is not reversible. That means 5C is very seldom falls on the stronger beat. Now look at the last tips. If we have 1, 2, 3 of the major scale, some students would just like to write 1 and the supertonic chord here and then go to 1B. But I would say this is no. Avoid using 1 to 2 because it is not the normal progression in Baroque period. It will cause parallel fifth and octave easily. Alto part G to A is parallel with the tenor C to D. A fifth, go to a fifth. This alto is also a fifth part with the bass C to D. And we can also see a parallel octave between the tenor and the bass. When 2 resolve to 1B also, it is also very easy to get parallels. So as for these bonus tips, try to avoid using 1 to 2. There are 2 more better options. Alright, in this video, we have discussed about the difference between 1 5C 1B and 1 7B 1B. Hope you know how to make a choice when you do 4-part writing. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful or interesting, please subscribe, like, and share. See you next time.